A father's battle to regain his children has become an international fight. Now, I've been covering the story of Baltimore County paramedic Stan Hunkovic for more than 3 years as he's been fighting to get his children back from his ex-wife in Trinidad. While the legal battle rages on in 2 courts, he's taking a new approach to win back Gabriel and Anastasia.
We got more of them, okay?
Armed with information, name tags, signs, and Stan Hunkovic's signature smile, they geared up for D.C. The Baltimore County paramedic was taking his fight for his children from the White Marsh Park and Ride to the nation's capital.
They were born here, we were married here, we were divorced here. I was granted custody of the children here. All right, ready?
Surrounded by his family, who came from as far away as Seattle and South Carolina, to his brotherhood from County Fire and other family friends, Hunkovic took his team to the Trinidad Embassy.
Bring Gabe and home.
You could hear their message up and down Massachusetts Avenue on Embassy Road.
Because this is my brother, my niece, and my nephew, and I love them. And they got to be home.
Gabriel and Anastasia Hunkovic left the U.S. in February 2010 with their mother, Leah, a native of Trinidad and Tobago, Stan says, despite a court order. In the battle between 2 jurisdictions, Hunkovic says he was granted sole custody in September of 2011, but so far that hasn't happened. Stan hasn't seen Anastasia or Gabriel in 2 years or spoken to them since December.
It's one of the days that I'm allowed to talk to my children on the phone, but I'll call up and I'll get a busy signal. I'll call up Skype and it'll just ring. I'll get an answer machine, I'll leave a message, and nobody calls back.
But today his message was loud and clear, and a very important person heard it. The ambassador of Trinidad's embassy came outside, took Stan in, and they met privately. His group of about 40 continued to spread the word.
Because I'm here to support Stan and his family. I don't think it's right for what is going on, that what his ex-wife has done, what she's teaching those poor children, brainwashing them into the things of him being a terrible monster. It's totally not true.
20 minutes later, Stan and Ambassador Neil Parsons resurfaced.
Obviously, don't have all the facts on the matter, but surely I wanted to hear his side of the story.
The ambassador says communication is critical, and that's why Stan and his family say they came.
I have a lot of hope with this, that this is going. I mean, the fact that he went in there and talked to him, and the ambassador said he was going to reopen the case. He's going to reopen it, look at it again. Yes, gives me a lot of hope.
The unexpected meeting and the rally of support also left Stan feeling optimistic.
I hope we're closer, and that's what I live for, is the hope. I believe eventually justice for my children will be done, and they deserve to know both of their parents.
Now, the ambassador told Stan to send him a written letter of the facts. Leave out all the emotion that comes in a case like this, and he'll see what he can do to help. Now, a lawyer purporting to represent the children emailed the InFocus team, stating that the children are alive and living legally in Trinidad. The lawyer also claims that Stan has violated Trinidad law, among other things, refusing to pay child support. But Stan's attorneys maintain they were kidnapped. And they also say he set up an escrow account where he's depositing money monthly for his kids.